This is our first trade for the year. We opened the trade end of December, but we're probably going to close the trade sometime in January or February. So it all began with this topping tail. As you can see, this is Tesla's history since 2020, and since then we've been in this channel. This has been a major channel. As you can see, it's contacting all of the major highs and major lows since 2020. So recently we tried to break the upper boundary of the channel. We could not, and we formed a weekly topping tail. So that was our signal to start looking for shorts. And our entry was actually on the 2-hour chart. As you can see, this zone over here, it was previous support that turned into resistance. We tried going back into that zone over here, and then instead price did a fake out. We closed into the zone and then came right back out. So around this area is when we enter our shorts, and we're targeting much lower levels. So the level that we're exiting at is these orange lines. This is where we're going to exit our shorts, our put position, and we'll begin to build our call position. So why these orange lines? So the first thing you'll notice is every time we're in an uptrend, we failed on one of these parallel lines, we then continue to the next line lower. So we failed on this orange line, we continue to the next line lower. We failed on this orange line, we continue to the next line lower. And this orange line is a very significant pivot point. As you can see, there was a reaction here, there was a reaction here, there was a reaction here, there was almost a reaction here, and there was even a minor reaction here. So probably there's going to be another reaction here. That's where we'll be looking to exit our puts and enter our calls. So that's the first orange line. The second orange line is this upper horizontal level. So if we take a look at the daily, we'll see that there was a breakout that happened here. Price failed, and then when price finally closed here, there was a massive rally. So now we're heading back to that orange line. And then lastly, there's one more orange line over here. That orange line was resistance here, it was a breakout here, it was a support here, and then a breakdown here. It was a resistance here, it was a resistance here, a resistance here. So if we get there, it's probably going to be support again. So we have three confluences at this zone from about 337 to about 360. That is where we will be flipping our puts into calls.